In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify the codes on this Lockly digital lock. First step is you need to remove the back plate. There's a screw located on the top, so back that up, and then you have access to your two buttons. What we're going to be doing instead of doing a full reset is I'm going to actually reprogram today. So what you need to do is press the reprogram button one time. And what that's going to do on the front is give you your three options. One is A, that's add. Two is D, E, delete. Three is check. So if I click 3, it'll show me all the codes that are currently in there right now. And right now I have one code, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I did that just for this video. You know you have other codes if you press this blank, and then it goes to more codes, but it takes me back to the menu. So I only have one code right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to add a code. So you'll go ahead and click add, and then you get to select what values you want. So for this example, I'm gonna go ahead and do 808080. Then you push the fingerprint option. It spins all the numbers around, and you have to do the same thing again. 808080, and that's to confirm what I'm typing. And then now it's saying, is this the code? 808080, and it's Y is yes, N is no. So I'm gonna say yes, that's correct. So it's now added the code. So I'm gonna go ahead and click check, and you can see my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hit the blank, and now I have 808080. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete now. So I'll go ahead and click the delete option. This is the one I wanna delete. So, you click it. I'm confirming this is the one I wanna delete. So you're gonna go ahead and press and hold for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. And it says, do you wanna delete? Yes or no. And it's saying this is the code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, I wanna delete that. So if I click check, I see that I only have 808080 in there. So there you go. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.